Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the outer door panel in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Torx 20 screwdriver, a flathead blade screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new outer door panel. The outer door panel gives the dishwasher a very good look. It also covers the parts and the electrical harnesses that's located inside between the inner and outer doors, and the main reason for the outer door panel to be replaced is if it's badly damaged. We can begin by taking the 3 Torx 20 screws out at the bottom here. And that's going to free the door handle from the panel. I'm going to use the Torx 20 screwdriver and remove that screws. All right, now I can open the door and take out the screws that holds the inner door to the outer door panel. We're going to take out the 4 screws on the top. This is a Torx 20 screwdriver. And remove it one by one. And now we're going to move to the side and take out this screws. These side screws are a little bit shorter than the screws from the top. I'm going to close the door and I'm going to slide down the outer panel with the touchpad here. So I'm going to pull up and remove this touchpad with the control board and just let it hang down slowly. Make sure you don't break anything, any like harness. To remove the handle, we're going to turn it around, and then using the flat blade screwdriver, we're going to pry up this metal edge to free this 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs. There are 2 on the sides that we have to open too. Lift this side and push the handle out. Then go this side and the bottom and the last one here, and we can remove the handle. Using pliers, I'm going to bend this tab up. Again, using pliers, I'm going to bend it up. And now we can pull out the insulation. This is the old outer door panel next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, this is a new outer door panel, and we need to install the insulation. Place it in. This cutout on the top. So we're going to bend this tab in all the way to hold the insulation in place, and we can do it at the second tab, then the opposite side. Be careful, it's sharp. And now we're going to install the door handle. It goes in this way from outside. Press it in. Okay. Make sure that all the clips are in. There's a 4 at the bottom, 4 at the top, and 2 at the sides. It's in. So I can turn around and install the control panel into the door. I lift the control panel up, bring the door close, and we're going to slide in the control panel. So this plastic goes into the door. Make sure that all the tabs are locking into the cutouts in the outer door panel. Now we can install it onto the inner door. We place the hinges into the cutouts and then push the door on. And I'm going to grab it on the top, open the door, hold the sides, the doors inner and outer together, open it, and support it from the bottom with your knee. And then we're going to install 2 short screws on each side. I'm going to put the first screw here at the bottom, and we're going to tie that with a Torx 20 screwdriver. And then we're going to put the second short screw. And now we're going to go on the opposite side, do the same thing. I'm going to put 2 short screws. Alright, and now when the door is secured in place, we can install the rest of the screws. Then the long one, the 6 screws, the long 6 screws on the top goes into the plastic, so be careful, don't over tighten it. And now we're gonna switch the sides. That's the last short screw. And then we're gonna install the rest of the long ones on the top. So let's close the door. We're going to attach the handle to the outer door panel with 3 Torx 20 screws. Don't over tighten them, you may break the plastic. The door is covered with this protective film. To remove it, we're going to open the door, and you can cut along this line on both sides and then peel the film off. I mean, you can leave it on, but it's not as pretty as this finished surface. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.